Hello, this is my recording for milestone 3 submission for the Yelp project. I'll go case by case for what needs to be displayed. So let me just launch the app here. So this is the app. And the first case is the user selects a state, city, zip code, and some information needs to be displayed. So if I pick a state here, let's go Illinois, and then Urbana, and then the zip code. So Champaign, I think, has more zip codes. Yeah. So for each zip code, the list of businesses are displayed. So it's the business name, address, rating, review count, number of check-ins, and the average rating from the review table provided or the review data provided for the Yelp project. This changes based on whatever state I pick. So if we go Central City I pick, and then zip code as well. Let me pick a city with more zip codes. And so each zip code, it will change. The second requirement is the population, number of businesses, average income of each zip code. That's down here. So if I change the zip code, it changes the population, number of businesses, average income. We choose a different city so I can display that. So for Chandler cities, that zip code, population, number of businesses, average income. And then for different state, let's go Nevada. For Boulder City, that zip code, population, number of businesses, average income. All those businesses are listed over here. So as you can see, 12 businesses. And then same thing if we go to Vegas, the zip code, number of businesses 20 businesses listed. The third requirement is the top categories in each zip code. That's the bottom table over here. So this shows the number of businesses and what categories the businesses are part of. And this also changes based on the zip code I pick. So changed. And this also changes if I pick a different city. Let's pick enterprise. Um, Over here is all the categories with above 5 number of businesses. Same thing if I change the zip code here, and then if I choose a different state, let's go Arizona, or let's go Pennsylvania. Same thing. The categories, number of businesses in each categories. Uh, yeah, so that's the third one. The fourth one is if the user wants to specify a category. That's this one right here. This is not the best one, but if we go to Nevada, Vegas, because that has a lot of businesses. So if I go hair salon, these are all the hair salon places here. Apartments, these are all the apartments. Restaurants, there's all the restaurants here. Mexican, those are also the same as restaurants, but home services. And this also changes. So if I go to a different zip code, the categories change. And so doctors, it's listed here. Fast food, and the fifth requirement are these two tables over here. So the successful and popular. So to calculate these, to calculate successful, I picked the average rating of each business or each of all the businesses in the zip code, and then whatever business are above that average, those are successful, and so those are listed here. And so in this zip code, these are all the successful businesses. And then if we go to a uh, different state, let's go to Anaheim, because I think Anaheim, or there's Anaheim, sorry, Chandler has a lot of businesses. So these are all the successful ones. As you can see, there's 128 businesses. It's only 56 are listed successful. And for popular, I did number of check-ins, average the number of check-ins, and whatever businesses had above those number of check-ins I listed them as popular. And so the same thing here, where all these are listed as popular and they're less than the number of businesses. And so this also changes based on the zip code I pick, city I pick, and state. And I believe those are all the cases. Thank you.